Hi, I'm Melissa and this is what you need to know about your Backbeat Pro 5100. To power your charging case and earbuds for the first time, click and hold the charging case button for 2 seconds. Pull the earbuds out of the case, which automatically puts them in pairing mode. Make sure Bluetooth is activated on your mobile device and select PLT-BB Pro 5100 from your Bluetooth settings menu. Within a few seconds, a pop-up window will ask you to pair your left earbud, which allows it to function independently. Once you've paired your earbuds for the first time, your earbuds will automatically power on and pair with your mobile device straight out of the charging case. To pair your earbuds with a new mobile device, make sure your earbuds are powered off. Then simply click and hold the right earbud until you hear pairing and select PLT-BB Pro 5100 from your Bluetooth settings menu. To pair the left earbud, click and hold for 2 seconds to power on, then select Pair or OK in the pop-up window on your mobile device. You get 3 ear tip sizes with your earbuds: small, medium, and large. Try each ear tip until you find the right fit. You might even realize that your ears require different sizes. To swap out an ear tip, simply loosen the ear tip from the earbud. The new ear tip will click when it's locked into place. You'll know you have a perfect fit when environmental noise is blocked out, the earbuds feel stable, and the bass is strong. Your right earbud is your primary earbud by default and enables a few key functions. To play or pause your music, click once. To skip tracks, click twice. To skip back, click 3 times. To answer or end a call, click once. To activate a virtual assistant like Siri or Google Now, click and hold for 2 seconds and release. Your left earbud by default lets you control the volume. Make your music louder with a tap. To lower the volume, simply touch and hold. To switch primary and secondary earbud controls, use the Switch Primary Earbud feature in the Backbeat app. This will move primary controls to the left earbud and transfer volume along with my tap to the right. Smart sensors automatically pause your music when you remove your earbuds and resume playback when you put them back in. They also answer incoming calls and mute you when you take your earbuds out during a conversation. To customize smart sensors, download the Backbeat app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Use left, right or both earbuds to take calls or listen to music. To use just one earbud, dock the second in the charging case. The primary earbud controls will then be transferred to the earbud you're wearing. Available through the Backbeat app, my tap offers command customization for a personalized listening experience. Assign 1 or 2 taps to features like a timer, stopwatch, or your favorite playlist. Once they're set, tap your earbud once or twice to initiate your custom features. You can also choose your preferred voice prompt language, install updates, find your headphones, and more, all from the Backbeat app. When you aren't using your earbuds, dock them in the charging case, which automatically powers them off. If you don't have your charging case on hand, click and hold for 4 seconds to power off manually. To charge your earbuds, dock them in the charging case. When your charging case battery is depleted, use the included micro USB cable and plug it into a computer or USB charging device. For fastest charging, plug them into a wall charger. For additional details and instructions, visit the Backbeat app to download the user guide. We hope you enjoy your Backbeat Pro 5100.